This is a Gold P. It is not the Gold P that Doc lent me. That I have there. This is a Gold P from somebody I sold some locks to on eBay as a thank you for, you know, giving them a good price because they had bought some things before. He sent me this Gold P. So to try to get into it, I'm going to use the Lawlock Tools 47 thousandths and a Moki Standard Slim. So maybe something out of 1, 3, maybe something out of 4. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just overset 4, I bet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. All right. So something out of 1, a little click out of 2, something out of 3, something out of 4. 1, 3, 4, 5. Did I press something up too high though? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 2, 3, 4, and then 2 opens it. So that is the second Gold P video.